guys, are you the person that have been having difficulties creating voiceovers on CapCut app? So you're the right channel, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to edit your voiceovers on the CapCut app, and also I'm going to be teaching you how to edit voiceovers for vlogs, storytelling, and normal voiceovers, right? And I'm also going to be teaching you how to use AI, right? So before we start, I'd like to give you a little tip, right? So when you want to make voiceovers, the best time to make voiceovers is when you've woken up from sleep, right? The first thing you do when you wake up from sleep, after praying, you could just decide to make a voiceover. Why? Because at that point in time, your vocal cords are relaxed, right? So your voice is going to be clear and and very good. And then the second perfect time to make your voiceovers is in the midnight. Yes, in the midnight. Like I, for one, I make my voiceovers in the midnight, or the first thing I do when I wake up from sleep. So in the midnight, the whole place is very quiet. Although you could use the enhanced voice feature in CapCut, right? If the whole place is noisy. But I'm just saying, like at that point in time, it is very good because your vocal cords are very relaxed, and then your voice is going to come out clean and smooth. So guys, don't forget to give me a follow after watching this video. Don't forget to share this video, and if you find this video interesting and helpful, don't forget to give me a like and also comment. And I would like to see you do this editing and make it in your next post. So I'd like to see you put it into action. So guys, let's get into it.
So guys, the first thing you want to do is to go into your CapCut app. Then the next thing you want to do is to click on new project, and then you select the video you want to make a voiceover for. So let's use this one over here. Then you click on add. So let's move. So the first thing I like to do is to first of all mute the clip. Remember, it's a voiceover you're making, so you don't need any other sound. So you first of all, okay, let me play it. Do you see there's a sound in the video, right? There's a sound in the video, so you want to mute the clip. So after muting it, listen to it. So as you can see, there's no longer any voice, like there's no voice on the video. So that's the first thing I like to do. And then separately, let's go over to making our voiceover. So you go down here, you see audio, so you click on audio, and then the next thing you slide, and then you see a place, you see record. So you see this record over here, you click on it, and then you're going to press here, and then we start to record in 3 2 1. So you're going to click on this, we're going to end this right here, and then you're going to click on this. So let's see what we have here. So as you can see, do you see these parts, the green lines are up, or in this part the green lines are very low. So this part we're going to cut it out. Yeah, we're going to cut it out. So just to make a very good voiceover, yes, we're going to cut that part out, right? So the next thing you're going to do, the mistake most people make is when making their voiceovers, they like talk without stopping, which is not how to make a very good voiceover. So when making a very good voiceover, you let's say you say a particular sentence, you stop the video, you stop the voiceover, like you stop recording, and then you start all over again. But when starting, you don't start here. No, you don't start here. It's very wrong to start immediately after the first voiceover. So what you want to do is to start by this side. Let's just say a few seconds before the ending of the first voiceover, right? So you start by this side, right? So that's how to make a very good voiceover. So we're going to end that, and let's see what it's going to look like. So as you can see, I started it right under the first voiceover, right? So to make the voice notes overlap, to make the voiceover overlap, so what you want to do is to shift it over. You press it, hold it, and then shift it over to this part, right? So that you will not have space in the voiceover, right? So that it will be going like talking smoothly. And then we're just going to cut this part out. Reason is because we want to have a smooth voiceover. When you watch some of my videos, you listen to how I make the voiceovers, you see that there are no spaces. This will make the audience interested. This will make them like it will show that you're not dulling, or how do I put it. So let's move. So guys, after making your voiceover, the next thing you want to do is to increase the volume of this clip. So you increase the volume to make it louder. So what you're going to do is to click on the voice note, on the voiceover, sorry. So you click on it, so you see volume, so you click on this volume, and then you increase the volume from here.
Hi guys, join me as I go to the market to get some potatoes.
So sometimes, people like to enhance the voice. Let's say you're in a noisy environment, let's say you want to enhance the voice, then this is what you're going to do. So let's go back to the home. So let's go back to here. So what you do to enhance the voice is to click on this to click on the voiceover. So what you're going to do, you're going to scroll and then you see where it's written enhance voice, so you click on enhance voice. So but I don't actually use this for my videos. You know, before I told you that the best time to make voiceovers is when you wake up from sleep, first thing you do in the morning, or let's say in the midnight when everywhere is quiet. So but if you're in a noisy place, you could actually use this enhance voice. And then that aside, so guys, I'm trying to make sure I made this video, this tutorial as detailed as possible. So I want to take my time and then teach you this so that you not have issues with this. So let's go back to, so let me show you something, right? You know, there are people that read scripts when making their video. There are people that, you know, they don't have what they want to say offhand, right? They write it before talking. So if you fall in that category of person, so let me tell you what you're going to do. So you're going to, this is what you're going to do, right? You click on audio. So after clicking on audio, you go to this record, this place where it is written record, and then this particular side you see where it is written teleprompter. So you see teleprompter, so you click on that teleprompter, right? So in this teleprompter you can write your script here. You can now type in your script. So let's say you've written your script. You know, before making a video, definitely you have a topic you want to talk about, or maybe you have a script. So let's say you're just kind of person that writes on a sheet of paper before making the video. So to make it easier for you so that you don't start stammering when making your video, all you're going to do here is to go to this teleprompter. So you click on the teleprompter and then to show you enter or paste your script here. So what you're going to do next is to click on enter or paste your script here. So after clicking on this enter or paste your script here, you can now write all the things you would like to say. So let's say prayer is the key to success. So just something short, just for an illustration. So let's say prayer is the key to success. So after doing that you type done, and then you see it in the screen there. So it will be showing your screen. So now you can now record whatever you want to record to. So you can now go to this record, you can now press the record and then start recording. So you start reading it from the screen, right? So after you're done, you just press good. So after you're done, just press good. So after doing this, right, your viewers will not be able to see that script that is showing on the screen, right? But the voice that you made, the voiceover that you made, will still be there. So don't forget to drop your questions in the comment section. If you have any questions on any part of this, don't forget to drop it on the comment section, and don't forget to tell me if there's anything you want me to touch, if there's any area you want to touch, if there's any part of editing you want to learn. Don't forget to let me know. So let's move to the last section of this video, so which will be how to create AI voiceovers. So it's very simple, easy peasy. Let's get into it right away. So let me go back to that first side. So let's go back to this part where you see edit, audio, text, overlay, and so on and so forth. To make that AI voiceovers that you usually see on TikTok and on other platforms, what you're going to do is very easy. So just pay attention. So what you're going to do is to go to this particular place and then you click on text. So when you click on text, you click on add text. After clicking on add text, you type in what you would like to say. So you type in what you want it to say. So let's say get ready with me and let's go to the market together. So let's see, get ready with me and let's go to the market together. Assuming this is what you want it to say, right? So after typing in your text, you go back. So at this particular spot, you see add text, split, style, text to speech. So you click on text to speech, right? So after clicking on text to speech, you see many options here. You see trending, new, female, male. So you see trending, new, female, male. So let's use female, right? So let's use this particular one, Jessie. So you see how it's going to sound. It's very, very easy, as in very, very easy. So let's listen attentively and see how it's going to sound. I think I'm having network issues.
Get ready with me and let's go to the market together.
So did you hear that? So you could actually choose any one of your choice, right? You could choose male, female. So let's listen to this, right? Hi guys, join me as I go. So this is not sounding well, right? Because this particular part of the video, I did not mute the sound, right? So let's do that. So we're going to mute the sound. What you're going to do now is to go to this audio. You click on audio, right? So you see the different audio. So this was the first voiceover. So you're going to go ahead to, like, where the AI own. This is the one for the AI. So where it stops, you're going to split the other one. You're going to split this one, and then reduce the volume of this one. You go to volume, reduce the volume of this one.
Get ready with me and let's go to the market together.
So do you see it's normal here, right? So just in case you're making a video and then you want a particular part of the video to have sound, you could just go ahead, split that part, and then increase the volume of that part, then go to the other part and then reduce the volume. So this is just how to make a voiceover to come out very professional. So don't forget to ask your questions and then tell me what you think. Did you actually learn something from this video?
Guys, thanks for watching. I hope you found this video very interesting. So there are a lot of things you need to learn, as in a whole lot, because there are other apps where you could actually do this editing, not just CapCut app, which very soon I'm going to be making tutorials on that. I'm going to be posting it online, so which is why you need to stick around. How do you stick around? By following this channel, by following up. So by following, you get to see my video, you get to see the video when I upload it, when I post it online. And also, do you know the most amazing thing about it? You don't have to pay, right? It's free. Yes, this is the most amazing part of it all. You get a knowledge for free. Yes, most people have issues in editing. Most people don't post content online because they don't know how to edit their videos. But don't worry, I got you back. So do this. Follow my channel, like this video, share and comment, and I bet you I got your back, and problems in editing will be in the past because I'm right here for you.